what you will do that will neutralize all form of malicious spirits in your home. Alafia, I'm being called Honoga Hoson Koji. I want to give you a simple direction. This direction is a concussion that you will do. You will hang in your home. When you hang it in your home, it protects you from all form of malicious spirits, all form of evil spirits. When you have it in your home, it can never stay in bitterness in that house. You always stay in sweetness. Oh yeah, all you do, go and get me a lake chocho in Fongwe language. It's called palm kernel oil. Palm kernel oil. Original one. Origigi. Some people they buy original one, they will not mix it with groundnut oil to make it original one. Original one. In short, this one is fake. Original one. Groundnut chocho. Original palm kernel oil. Original one. The black one. You get it, okay? You get an empty container of semi-share perfume. He gets me again original honey. Original honey. Original honey. Finish. You will get 1 cup, 1.5 of this palm kernel oil. You pour in here. You will get 1.5 of this original honey. You pour in there. You shake, you clean it, you tie it rope, you hang it at the entrance of your home. From that day, my brother, some kind of bad vibe that will enter your wife, enter your head, you will not know. At times, you just boom. You just have call, bad friends, bam, they take you. You can spend money, you can smoke, you can do nonsense, you can fall a shower. They spoil your life. That spirit that you're always changing gear. Anytime you go, you change gear. It's no good. When you have this thing in your home, it will prevent you. I'm talking to you, Charlie. You that stubborn, I have bad habit. Realize it. This is what I do. I sell for 10,000 sefa, 20,000 sefa. I'm giving you free of charge. And if we give you, it does not mean we will not sell. We still sell. We still sell. If you want the original one, this is what I've done for you. This is how you should do it. Hang it to home and you are blessed. Allah alone. Ciao. Now you get a rope to tie it. Alafia, this is entrance of my home. Normally, if there is a dial on top, is on top. So you that have the entrance, the normal is to be on top of the house. Okay? But if you don't have it, it's like mine. You come here, this is the entrance. We'll knock a nail here. Yeah? They will tie it. That's how you install it. Alafia. We shall enter here. Because only good spirit and good stuff shall look at us. Alafia. Pay. To work in the name of the ancestors. Pay. There's it. There's water.